video, you'll learn how to manage revenue and clients at ITM Platform. Projects and services enable you to predict and track revenues at the general level and also by tasks and milestones. Let's begin with a look at the budget, where there are two main items, cost and revenue. Costs are divided into hours and purchases, while revenue is a single concept. A good way to start is to make an initial revenue estimate. This will be in the budget section. As with costs, this estimate will be the product of more detailed planning performed in the revenue section. Appearing in the header are the same data that appear in the budget section under revenue. In the main body, we can create project revenue. This will first be revenue from the estimate and later actual revenue. For each revenue line, we can define its main data, its current status, on what date it was produced. It is also possible to access this revenue status history. We will now create the revenue forecast in terms of timing and amounts. For timing, you can specify a particular date or link the revenue to a milestone or a task. In this case, we choose the end of the task roof type structure and add a lag of 2 additional days. In the event that the revenue has been cashed, simply change the status to one that considers the current amount as final. In this example, the status is cashed and the system helpfully suggests copying the projected amount as the actual amount. In this case, we'll accept the suggestion but change the value to euros. To link a project to a client, simply select the client in the General section. Let's see how the Client section works. As with all ITM Platform lists, this is a dynamic and customizable report that can be filtered, configured, and exported to Microsoft Excel. In this case, we'll select the projected margin and actual margin for all clients. The navigational structure in the client file is similar to that of other ITM Platform components. We can add both system users and non-members as contacts. Information related to projects and services associated with clients can be viewed the same way it is viewed in the General Projects and Services section. You can also access all revenue related to a client in its different states. This example will show all cash revenue. The profitability section will show for a particular year or for a client's lifetime the composition of revenue, cost, and margin by each component and by client total. Finally, the control panel will display graphical information for the main analysis parameters. Please contact our support service with any questions you may have.